kum ka jingkan mau kerpang ya ubnai jong ka jingbam ya ki jingbam batei lane ka nutrition man kabala jukhot kum ka poshan ma abhiyan bat ban tibru ban bam ya ki jingbam ki batei ya ka met ka phat bat ban yo ru ya ka jingkot jingkhya menta kasngi na kalyang jong ka krishi vigya kendra ribhoi district na ICAR research omyam kalawan ban ai ya ka jinghikai ka bakerpang ya ki longkemi ki batrei ha ki aganwadi center ki self help group bat kum juru ki katto katne ki longkimi ki baju im haka kam rep jhur bat rep so ki badon haka thain nongpo haka ne ka ju kasngi lala ru ban ai ya ki samba jhur ya ki ne ki longkimi ki bawan haka ne ka awareness program kum kadak jong ka jingya shimbanta bat ki ne ki nongtrei haka aganwadi center ki self help group bat kiwe UMLA ka nongpo constituency uba meral bons imru ulai don lang haka ne kasngi bat yoru ban yakren bat kine kinong trei haki aganwadi center bat yoru ban ayaki da ki sembajhur bakin thung hala ki ying kisam bat ru haki aganwadi center jongki shu lai don lang ru uba plila tiuso ubadeu asistan rang ba snong jong ka snong nongpo ikong Eliza Sis Imli ibadei i chief technical officer bat ibadei ru i senior scientist bat head KVK Ribhoi district Imoshmi Jidas ibadei i ACTO Plant Protection KVK Ribhoi district kinong trei haki aganwadi center ki kenhun SSG bat katto katne kilongkemi ki bajuim hakarep karyang bat kathung jhur thungso
kaphang kane mangan kren nga kalong ka thali ka nutritional thali ni berbon yang taklak tang ko labiang ne taklak kadang ko labiang bam ta kajan ta labiang bam ta jadai labiang lalen no mo ka jingwa jo ka ko diminta pe ba berkat ya ka jing dawa jong pakatia berkapatia kalau kebareng ham minit bansumaru idon di bokot bor ini siong di bokot tim hareng precaution is better than cure mo kabhawa pikir ne kabhawa pikir ini yang pikir kuno dalam ibadian yang kebormet berkat jumi kenang bagi jipang kinam la banyak persya kamet jumi kan la ban beklat yakin jimpang di bawah jadi melawan wan di deficiency disease untuk ke jimpang babyo ini mo naik lainnya sekitar ne dia nanta ke juduna sna anemia ne nanta di juduna discovery di juduna jang vitamin C di kunta terter di habang yung kapeliang mod kapeliang bam kabatay mo nutritional thali kapeliang bam kabatay teha ni kapeliang bam omde bangin shukun kadang tang ka po ngai kabantay ya kamet kaphat jumina ri hakja then ti bangin kren scientific ki kata kapol kam sha bat nem sutho mo ini batai kat kum ka jiso tho jumi kalomba kapeliang jumi kan kontrol ya kaja kabadai senior kaja ujiha mo minerals vitamins nangka iso ipat menginyo vitamin C balai hujat maka kanyo kamet kanyo ko tiang mo shidi kemudian iso natural sugar nangka kito irembai mo ipalses kito irembai dai ibai protein kebabiang nangka kado kha ni hangni ya bando dengan doa kha kadut mo kadut tengah ini baru kuat di bandar haka yang bar kejomi nang bando yang ta jinte kebabiang tak kita kabet kha ingin hak pikir kha nado badang le de magidon jinte kita anda lahir ilashi dengan kamu kuka dan calcium.
Ini program mentasni ada bagi celebrate ya kaneka Poshan Ma Abhiyan te ni ide na po activity Ribhoi nanti na po ICAR Research Complex po NH region nanti na po umyam te mentasni perlong ni kaneka program abang nilakhat ikiniki Anganwadi workers nang nilakhat ikiniki self help group but iwe ki farm women di umak jadi ginograb Sini wan hakani ka program kini tarit mapelong mentasni nakabentar bakinyo ai ki kata ka awareness halor ramani ka Poshan Ma Abhiyan kabadai ka program nakabentar bangi celebrate ya kaneka nutrition week ka nutrition month kamut kubanai jongka jingbam makumangi tip mo hamtam hakum kini kipor menta kabam kadi kalong kaba dan kam ha na kabanta jungi wei pai wei bat baro hing di bandam banti ikbam kibate kemet kaphat jungi bat hangani program jungi mentasni kaba ni ai ayu ha kadai halor jong jing sam ni sambai jot ni sam ni ki sambai jor yaki syakiti ki anganwadi baro nang ba kinla bantung hapo ki fair jongki hapo anganwadi centers but ni ai ro kunju ki weki badai ki nang rap but yaki weki SHGA nang ba kinla bantung hala ki fair yang la jong ni ai sau sanjat ki jor kumpi ka jor kimuli nata ki lithi palong ki dai kapsu ki dhania ni ai ki nang bakin la bantung hapo ki periang jongki bagi ong ki kitchen garden ini ai importance hai ki kitchen garden namar kumang itip hapung kini ki por ka along ka badan kang sisa ba baro gidi banang ban kumno bangin thung ya ki jongki jor ki jhap hapo kini ki periang jong bagi ong ki kitchen garden kini la ai ru ki nila don ru ki technical session kalau jong ka nutri thali ini ki bakani ka nutrition garden kitchen garden kumno bagi dei bande ya ini he gede ki objective jong kani ka program jungi ta kasing juga pelong hangni hapo sajer hangni hapo nongpo.
Today we are happy to be here in Sajer Nongpo Topa to be part of this beautiful program organized by the Krishi Vigyan Kendra from Umyam. It is part from the Agriculture Department, and we are here to meet the Anganwadi worker from Umlingsi and RD Block to give a helping hand from the ICAR to different kind of seeds so that they can plant in their kitchen garden within and around the Anganwadi center in the villages. And it is really a great help for the people, for the farmer, the Krishi Kendra Abhiyan, which has been in the forefront in leading to help the farmer in our district and in different CNRD block. And today we witness this program so that it will be a kind of support to the Anganwadi worker, even though this Krishi Kendra Abhiyan is to look after the farmer. But we are here with the Anganwadi worker today so that to fulfill the dream and the aspiration of the central government under the leadership of our Prime Minister, so that the Poshan Ma through the Poshan Abhiyan launched through the Ministry of Women and Child Development, it will fulfill its dream and it will reach at the grassroots level, and so many family and marginalized family, poor children, they can have good nutrition, good food, which will be a benefit for them to grow healthy. So it is very important that we have to work together, and we expect that the initiative taken by the ministry, by the department, and it will be a great help to the Anganwadi Center, their Anganwadi Center in the villages, and it will be a benefit for the children, for the mother, for all the marginalized and the poor farmers of